bwe yabadde ayogerako eri eggwanga Pulezidenti Museveni yavuddeyo n'ategeeza ng'abamuvunaana okubba akalulu bwe bali abakyamu era n'alumiriza Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu abangi gwe bamanyi nga Bobi Wine wamu ne banne okubba obululu eyo mu bukadde obusoba mu busatu bw'agamba nti tebwaliyo.
The courting case is now finished. I couldn't comment because there was a case in court which had been taken there by the Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi, saying that we had NRM had cheated them. On the contrary, it is the opposition, especially this group of Kyagulanyi, which cheated massively. Everybody in Uganda knows who cheated. It was the Kyagulanyi's group. Those votes which they are talking about 3 point something million, those are not there.
Ng'ebula omwezi gumu alayire ku kifo ky'omukulembeze w'eggwanga agamba nti ab'oludda oluvuganya gavumenti beetegese okumulemesa naye nti bubakeeredde kubanga abakuumaddembe baakubakolako. Ku ky'okugema ekirwadde kya COVID-19, Museveni yavuddeyo n'alumiriza ab'olupapula Daily Monitor okumuwandiikako ebikyamu era eno yavuddeyo n'asaba abakulu bano okumwetondera ku ky'okumuwandiikako ebikyamu oba si kyo kaakubajuutuka.
The other Daily Monitor published that Museveni had secretly got a vaccine. That was before we imported the vaccines. Now, Monitor must apologize. In the front page, the whole page must be covered by apologizing for Museveni. To say that I got vaccinated secretly when my people were still in danger.
Museveni ayongedde n'ayogera ku ddoozi y'okugema ssenyiga omukambwe wa corona nti ensonga lwaki ye ne mukyala we Janet Kataha Museveni tebannagemebwa kubanga yalekera abali mu matigga ag'okukwatibwa ekirwadde be babasooka okugemebwa.
Nor has Janet. This is because we wanted to start with the people who are at high risk. These are the people who are working in hospitals, dealing with patients.
Agenza mu maaso n'ategeeza nga Uganda bwe yalabukira ekirwadde kya COVID-19 nga bukyali ne bateekawo ebiregiro nga ensonga lwaki basobodde okukirwanisa awo we yasinzidde ne yeebaza bannansi olw'obuwulize mu kulwanisa ekirwadde kino.
The reason we succeeded is that I think that by taking very strict measures and doing so early, the disease came in, and these people who got admitted into hospital were managed well and they were able to recover. Why? Because there were few. There were not too many. There were few. If there had been many, as happened in other countries in the world, many people would have died. Because there are too many, you can't manage them.
Sarah Nakandi, Ramla Katumba, ACTV Select, Enjaulo.